Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. So just launch the application Facebook on your mobile device and move in the right bottom corner option is the menu, and you will be just getting your profile by the username. And if you just scroll down, and here is the option is edit public details. So simply just tap on it as well. After loading, you will be just scroll down, and in the last you will be just finding the links option. So simply just tap on it, edit, and from here again you will just tap on this your WhatsApp logo. So from here is the option is right bottom is the remove link. Just tap on it, and after here you will just confirm that you will be just remove your WhatsApp link from the Facebook. So that's it. So in this way you will just have to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.